Are you just pretty? Are you just a very pretty face?
Yes, so. Pretty face kitty cat.
Miss Patty. Did you make yourself a Christmas gift by hopping in the box
Yeah.
with the tissue paper? Did you give us yourself for Christmas? I think you did. Yeah, I think you did. You're a sweetheart. Oh, you're a sweetie. He's a sweetheart. To the sweetest he can be. Next time Linda comes, you're going to have to be sweet, be friendly. See, I'm a little bit shy, but you're going to get better. Yeah, you're going to get better from your shyness. 'Cause sweet as can be girl. Mm-hmm. As sweet as can be girl. Mm-hmm. You got so much hair, Patty. See this hair? This is lots of hair. Yeah, we got lots of hair, don't we? Yeah. Nothing like a patty cat morning, huh? A cup of coffee and a patty cat on your lap.
Yeah, patty cat on your lap is right.
Patty cat is a Christmas cat, and she's a morning cat, too.
Mm-hmm.
She likes the mornings, and she likes to be petted in the mornings. What a pretty face. You're very photogenic, Patty.
Yes,
You
you
really are. And you're very relaxing. I think Patty enjoyed Christmas a lot, too.